our channel. Tonight, we are going to do chicken wings, but we're doing them different. Normally, we've got our own regular recipe, real quick and simple, but our Gene found a different recipe. I don't even know what it's about, but I see some Asian ingredients coming out. So, since I'm starving and
we're starving.
we're both starving.
So, we're gonna cook it in a different way. Maybe Filipino style.
Oh, is that what it is?
I think it's Filipino style. I saw this in YouTube sometimes or in Facebook. They're cooking their chicken wings like this. So let's do it.
Right on. Oh, and she says it's good with rice.
It's
Oh,
good.
figure that one out. Don't remember what I think.
So let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Holy cow, you already ate a wing? You're magical. How the heck did you do that?
So hot. It's like it's caramelized the sauce, huh?
Mhm.
The wing.
And then what is it? So what is that? That's I know onion and garlic. I smelled when you were cooking that.
Onion, garlic, butter,
Butter.
a little bit of oil, and added the chicken, and also
Well, wasn't there?
oyster sauce,
Okay. That's what,
ketchup, and Sprite.
and Sprite. That's right.
Salt and cayenne pepper.
They smell very, very good. And if you were here, you would know.
Too bad you're not here.
You made these real quick.
Uh-uh.
I mean, I didn't know how long a process it was, but it seemed like it.
No, 20 minutes.
Huh?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Yeah, it was quick.
This is something different. We usually bake it and grill.
Yeah, we usually bake or grill. A lot of times, most of the time, I think I make some kind of random sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even remember what I put in there. I just go for it. But they usually come out pretty good. She's never gotten mad at me.
It was so good.
Maybe you get another idea for something good. Mm-hmm. You know, we're just throwing these ideas out there.
This one is really good idea.
Yeah, it was.
You wanna try something different to cook your wings?
Yeah, instead of the normal barbecue or the Franks for the Americans, you know, that's how we always do them. That's how the bars do them. But this is more flavorful. Definitely. So, anyway.
Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we have a new video.
And seriously, give it a try. These are good. And it wasn't that difficult. It wasn't expensive, you know. I mean, beyond the price of the chicken. So anyway, thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Peace out.